This is the Systema.bio, a biodigester that helps smallholder farmers by converting the byproduct of their livestock farming, i.e. manure, into renewable gas for cooking and rich fertilizer called biol. Designed for small farms with backyard animals, the biodigester, which consists of a tank to hold the manure, connector tubes to transport the biogas, and appliances, can be easily installed in just one day. Biogas can be used to cook meals, heat water, heat greenhouses, and even operate milking machines. The biol liquid organic fertilizer can be used for vegetable gardens, fruit trees, plants, and cultivating fields. Systema.bio was created by Systema Biobolsa, a super-driven social enterprise that's passionate about helping smallholder farmers address the challenges of poverty, food security, and climate change. It also provides access to innovative biodigester technology, training, and financing to increase farmers' productivity. For the past decade, this innovative mechanism and model has been a game-changer for smallholder farmers worldwide, who produce 80% of the food in developing countries. These biodigesters meet domestic energy and biofertilizer needs, generate savings on energy consumption, and increase yields and incomes. Globally, farmers produce tons of waste daily that's created by agriculture and livestock, which emit greenhouse gases, methane, and nitrous oxide. This is problematic for these communities and the planet as a whole. These biodigesters help productive farmers and agribusinesses convert their waste into productive scale energy while reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Overall, it's a win-win. The prefabricated biodigester includes a full suite of biogas appliances, including an aluminium burner designed for biogas at extremely low pressures, a Ferro 2 tabletop cook stove, and a Spider cook stove, which is a Ferro Spider Type 2 burner grill. Systema Biobolsa's proven model guarantees that clients receive quality information, products, installation, training, and service, regardless of their location in the world. It teams up with businesses and organizations to bring high-quality biodigester technology and biogas programs to their communities from its distribution and training hubs on 5 continents. Systema.bio has a lifespan of at least 20 years and currently operates in Mexico, Colombia, Kenya, and India. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.